help you. MMM does not collect participants' money, and you will see why. MMM does not have to take contracts or pledges. Everything is voluntary. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants, it is here. You have to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. So we have rules for participation. The specific rules there is one account per person. And you must be of legal age. I hope everyone here is over 18 years. Each participant must have one M-Pesa or Bitcoin wallet. I will explain what that Bitcoin is, but M-Pesa is self-explanatory, meaning that you must have a line in your Safaricom, but very soon we'll develop other lines. It is where people trust each other. As long as you stick to the above rules, you will have a long and happy time with MMM as part of the family. So the general rules which are bound to change, which can change anytime, but for now these are the rules. For participants, the minimum you can participate is 1,000 Kenya shillings and the maximum is 1 million. And they should be multiples of 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Minimum is $10, maximum is $10,000. The assistance, when you provide help, we have the internal currency, but it's called Mavro. And one Mavro is equal to 1 Kenya shilling. 1,000 Kenya shillings will be 1,000 Mavros. So it's just an internal currency. And we'll show you why they are internal currency. So I said that I will explain what is Bitcoin. How many have heard of Bitcoin? How many new members are here? You have never heard of this thing. Have you ever heard of Bitcoin?
You've heard of it. I've heard of it and I don't know what it is.
Yes. Can I tell you what it is?
Yes.
This is a coin. This is a currency, but it is a digital currency. It is a currency like any other currency, like Kenya shillings, like dollars, like pounds. But the only difference here is it is digital.
That means
it cannot be touched. It cannot be printed.
It is a cryptocurrency.
It is what there is cryptocurrency.
Or cryptographic.
That is French.
Cryptographic.
That's
That's English.
English. So we have cryptocurrency, meaning currencies that are developed. Yes? Okay. Nani kuangapo kuna M-Pesa kwa simu sasa, mimi niko naye. Ukiwa na M-Pesa kwa simu, it is digital, sio? Siwezi ishika hivi kwa simu. Unless uende kwa agent, umtumie. By the way, unajua you will send him the money na nakupea cash. You know that goes on the happen. You send him the money na nakupea cash. And if you want the Kenya shillings in currency, in cryptocurrency or in digital form, unampelekea mtu agent pesa cash na nakutumia digital Kenya shillings for M-Pesa. So it's like any other currency when it is online. Okay. So we have other cryptocurrencies, but this one is more powerful than others. We have Bitcoins, we have Swiss coin, we have
Weather coin, one coin.
so many coins. They are mathematically developed. Only programmers can do it, as we cannot, unless but I like a family.
Anybody who has the allegromatism form.
So it is a form of a digital currency. It is created and held electronically. No one controls it. They are not printed like dollars or Kenya shillings. And it is decentralized. Uzuri wa hii pesa, it was created by somebody called Satoshi Nakamoto. You cannot print it. It is a legal currency, by the way. Though Kenya has refused to recognize these cryptocurrencies, but that one doesn't matter. We will still use it. So, good thing about these currencies are, you can send somebody 10 billion or even 100 million in US or in South Africa. And we as a government, we are this central Kenya government, they will never see that money again. You can even support many other things with it. You can shop with the currency. One currency, transaction fees are minimum. It is easy. If you send it to somebody in, let's say, US, and I buy within seconds, and it is faster. So, hii currency maybe tu kwa simu kama hizi, the specific banks that are operating it, we have blockchain. The bank called blockchain. We also have Coinbase. They're the banks that operate these and other banks. They are big banks, by the way. You mentioned that there is a KCB to connect because they transact daily billions of dollars. So one Bitcoin right now is 70,000 Kenya shillings, or is around $700. So it is more powerful than even a dollar. It is not affected by inflation. You know how inflation affects our currencies, right or not? You always see that prices of oil ikipanda, mama mboga pia ameongeza ile mboga ya 10 bob anauza 20. That's inflation. This one does not. This one is only affected by demand and supply. How many economics are in the house? When the demand is high, the prices increases, and when the demand is low, the prices reduces. So it is a very good currency. So we use both currency, Kenya shillings and Bitcoins. Yes. So Bitcoin is used worldwide. There are some universities that are being paid using Bitcoins. A man bought Bitcoin worth $27. That is in 2009. But when he went back to his account, he realized that he has 886,000 worth of Bitcoins in dollars. Yes, ukitoka unaenda tu unanunua Migingo Island, unamwachia nani maji yake. Nani Yoweri Kaguta maji yake, wewe unabaki na samaki. Si ndio? So it's a currency, it keeps on appreciating. When we started here in around February, Bitcoin was around 30,000. Right now it's 70,000. And it keeps on appreciating. So far the Bitcoins that have been mined is 21 million only. And that's what we share worldwide. So if we only have 21 million worth of Bitcoins, meaning that the currency is still kidogo, so the demand is high. So this is the registration process. Every person who invited you has a unique link like that one is my link. You don't need to use that. And also you will have to open a bank account with blockchain.info. That one can hold the bitcoins for you. And then you will link the two.